Towering buildings, chasing lights, busy streets at night. If this is the kind of view that calms you, then a trip at the Tokyo Tower is a must. Officially called as Japan Radio Tower, Tokyo Tower serves as the communication tower in Japan that caters to different media outlets that includes NHK, TBS, and Fuji TV.
So after charging guys, almost na naman kami. We'll be heading to Tokyo Tower.
On our second day of our trip in Japan, we scheduled a visit at the famous Tokyo Tower. Tokyo Tower is located in downtown Tokyo, specifically in Minato District. It is considered as the second tallest structure in Japan. And if a budget to go to Paris is a bit expensive, having a photo with the Tokyo Tower in the background could be the next best thing to do.
So we're here at Akaben Nebashi. Akaben Nebashi station going to Tokyo Tower. Alright guys, so this is Tokyo Tower. So we got a ticket and the passes to go up there. Yeah, Tokyo Tower.
You can drop by and visit as early as 9 in the morning, but we decided to drop by the evening to have a nice night view.
So finally guys, we're here at the tower.
Actually, we were planning to really watch the sunset at the tower. Because we were too relaxed with the schedule, we ended up visiting late night. I think the best time to visit is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon onwards.
Whew. Going in, it's so mainit.
We'll redeem our vouchers first.
Alright, let's redeem our vouchers. Thank you very much to Klook.
Prior to our trip, we booked the attraction via Klook. We got the Tokyo Tower main deck admission, which cost 424 pesos, or estimatedly around 9 to 10 US dollars.
The ticket costs around 900 yen, and that's
For the main deck.
for the main deck. That's 450 pesos. Estimate.
This kind of ticket can give an access at the main observatory located above 150 meters. There is a separate ticket if you want to visit the special observatory located 250 meters up.
Okay guys, so we already got the ticket. Main deck. Swerte namin kasi walang pila today.
If booking online isn't your thing, you can easily drop by at the Tokyo Tower to get your admission ticket. Though having it booked online could be beneficial at times, especially if there's a line build-up at the ticket booth. Here's how you can get to Tokyo Tower.
The main deck. Thank you. So this is the Tokyo Tower. Okay. So the main deck is 150 meters up. So the top deck is 150 meters. We're going to.
Welcome to Tokyo Tower.
はい、それではお待たせをしております。こちらのエレベーターで皆様の高さ150メートルの面デッキにご案内いたします。1958年に開業をしました東京タワーは2018年今年12月で60周年を迎えます。
Our access was really quick, for there weren't a long line when we arrived. We took an elevator that goes straight at the main deck. It was dark when we entered, and you could already see the bustling, colorful city in 360-degree panoramic view. For those scared at heights, I think better to visit the place at night, for the darkness of the city can really cover up the distance at the ground.
Okay guys, we're here at the Tokyo Tower. Medyo madilim siya. Spooky kasi Halloween na yung theme nila here. Anyway, there it is. guys, what can you say about the main deck? Was
Nice
it
view,
okay?
guys.
Yeah, siguro kung morning iba rin yung
Yeah, it's a different perspective.
dito kami guys. Okay guys, so we are here at the second level, the first level rather, and they got here a skywalk. So it's actually a mirror where you can see what's down there.
If you are brave enough, you can even experience the thrill of standing on the glass floor called the look-down window.
Stepping in. Stepping. Look, sky window.
If ever you feel hungry after some time, various restaurants and shops are also available around the observatory. And oh, by the way, if you are a fan of One Piece, the theme park is also located in this tower. Asking me if it is worth the climb? Honestly speaking, it is. For less than 500 pesos or $9 US, spending your night or a few hours in your day here at the Tokyo Tower could already make you appreciate the advancement of this friendly city, Tokyo, Japan. Until our next trip,